Okay guys, so today's declutter is going to be my wardrobes. Yeah, I know, plural, I'm that bougie, huh? So basically, these here. So, these are the pack systems by IKEA, by the way. I'm also in my dressing gown because it's freezing in Manchester. I'm not well and I'm comfortable, so let's just get that out of the way. These are the pack systems. I got the open ones. I got rods at the top and then drawers at the bottom. We're not going to go through the drawers today, that might be a different video. But basically when I first got them, I got a slimmer one. This is like my work one because I used to work at Mac, so I had to wear black all the time. So I got one that was just predominantly just for work, so that I knew this was where my work stuff was. And then I got like a play one as well. Now I don't work there anymore. I'm trying to either figure out if I want to put like long stuff here or jackets here, and then build drawers on either one of them, because the drawers that I've got are just 2s, and I'm either going to add a 3 there or a 3 there. But as you can see, I've got some long stuff. I'm also very ill, so if I sound out of breath, I'm really sorry. I'm very like, do you know what I mean? So yeah, basically we're going to go through it, the hanging stuff today. I'm going to start with my work stuff because now that I don't work there anymore, I'm probably going to get rid of a lot more. I don't know how much of my play stuff I'm going to get rid of. Only time will tell. And I'm going to either get rid of it. When I say get rid of, I mean just give it to charity, or I'm going to keep it and it's going to stay up there, or I'm going to keep it and it's going to go in my suitcases for summer stuff, so things that I won't wear in this freezing cold winter. And I have at least one suitcase full of stuff that needs to go up here for like coats for winter and everything. And then I've got behind my door, I don't know why I'm moving it because you guys can't see it, but that's got more coats. That's why I'm thinking I might change this into jackets like this one, and then build the drawers in here. But we'll see what I get rid of, basically is going to be the end decision. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to start with my work one first, so I'll move you guys over and let the skimming and music commence. Oh, so these are my tunics for work, so I'm keeping those regardless. I have this bomber jacket and I'm obsessed with it. I love it, but I'm actually going to give it away. I'm going to part with it because I have another bomber jacket that I love even more than this one. And I feel like this one served all of the purposes that it needed to serve back when I would wear it all the time. And yeah, it's from H&M, it's really nice, it's ruched. I hauled it, I remember hauling it. I'm just gonna check the pockets to make sure I didn't leave anything in there. But I've got a new bomber and I never ever wear this anymore, sadly, so goodbye, old friend. Sad to see you go. This is a hoodie from the Mac and Jamie Genevieve collab. I'm gonna keep this, but I'm just gonna move it into a drawer. I've got this leather jacket. I've got 2 others. I've got this one from PLT. It's a little bit big for me now, but I still like it. It's a little bit more of like a special one because it's like faux snake. I'll zoom you in. It's a bit more like faux snaky. And then I've got this one, which is like my go-to. This one's from Miss Selfridge. It's actually from Rose. Thank you, Rose. And I love that one. I live in that one. And now that I can fit back into it, I wear it. And this was like my OG one, which was from H&M as well. But I'm going to part with him because I've got the other 2 and I do not need 3 leather jackets. I really don't. I don't. I've got a fur gilet. I think these are always handy to have, so I might hang on to him. I have a midi skirt and a mini skirt. I'm going to get rid of both of them because I never ever ever need them. I always think I do, and I'm sure Primark will assist me if I do need them in the future. Oh, this is a cool one. This is like a see-through like skirt top. I'm going to keep that because I can wear that with jeans as well. I've got these 2 skirts. I'm going to get rid of both of them because neither of them fit me anymore. One's a denim one from PLT. It's too big, and then this one's from Primark with a zip, and it's a pleather one, too big. I love these trousers. I'm actually hanging these up on a different hanger. These are really nice. They're from New Look, and they're like the ribbed kind of thing, but they've got a slit all the way quite at the top. But they are really love these jeans, but they've got a hole in. They were from Fashion Nova and they had like furs at the bottom, but they've got a hole in. And now that I don't work I have to wear all black, I probably won't wear them ever again. I've got so many like kimono-y jackets. I'm gonna get rid of this one. This one's from ASOS. Oh. This one that just fell is one of my favourites. It's a satin one from Pretty Little Thing. I've got it in black, white, orange and yellow. I'm gonna keep it because I love it. Love it a lot. I'll keep that one. I'll keep that one. Right, I've then got, I've never worn this. Should I keep it and see if I wear it? I forgot I even had it. It's just like a black ribbed midi maxi? Midi with a high neck. I'm going to keep this and see if I wear it, but I completely forgot I had it. I've got a strappy one. I'm going to get rid of, actually, well, that's Tom's graduation. I've got this one. I'm going to get rid of. Oh, this is my favourite one. I'm going to keep that. Love this from H&M. I've had it for years. It's just like a black maxi midi. So I think I'm going to part with these bodysuits. So I've got a few from New Look. They're like lace bodysuits. They're really nice, but there's just no support in them, and I just have to wear a bra with them, and it just makes no sense. So I'm going to part with that. I've got this one from Pretty Little Thing, which is more of a slinky material, so it holds my boobs into place a little bit more, so I'm going to keep that one. I've got that one from Zara. I'm going to get rid of that one. Oh, I love this. This is like a jumpsuit. I mainly wear this to chill, so I'm going to put that in a different drawer. That's not bad. Look at that. I've got rid of loads. Right. Let me pop my tunics back. Right. Let's move on to the play side. So these two are the same as that black one from New Look. I might keep this one because I like the colour, but I'm going to get rid of the white one. What I'm going to do with them, what I'm going to do is like repurchase better ones that have a bit more support. Like this one from ASOS. This one has like a wire to it, so it's kind of like support. So I'm just going to get a black one and a white one with a bit more support in it. This one I love. I'm actually going to put this in a different drawer. But I love this. This is from Fashion Nova. And then I've got this yellow one, and then this lilac one. I might get rid of this yellowy one. Should I? No, I'll keep them. Well, they're not doing anyone any harm. They'll stay. I'm gonna get rid of this from PLT. Hardly wear it anymore. Oh, I don't know about him. I'm gonna keep him. I'm gonna move this one. I love this. I'm gonna move it into my summer suitcase. This one I really like, but I never actually wore it out. But I think in winter it might be cute with like still jeans and like a leather jacket. I'll keep it. Oh, every year I tell myself I'm going to wear this and I never do, so I'm just going to get rid of it. I never ever wear it. Oh, these need to be washed, my bad. Ooh. I'm going to put these in my side pile because I probably won't wear those in winter at all. Touch me now, don't follow me. Every second. I'm going to put that in my summer pile. I won't wear it in the winter, but it's a really nice dress from PLT. Same with that. I'm going to pop that in my summer pile. It's from Monkey. It's really nice. And then same with that. I should keep that out. I might keep that one out actually. I'm going to get rid of this yellow leather jacket from New Look. It's too big now. What I'm going to do with all of these kimonos, I'm going to put them in my summer suitcase, because again I just won't wear them this time of year. Oh, I'm never ever going to wear this. I know I won't, so I'm going to get rid of that. So I've got this and this. This one's from Levi's. I've worn this a couple of times. I really like it, and I've still got the label on it. I've got the label on most of my stuff even when I wear it. I just have commitment issues. I don't like to take my label off stuff. And then again, label on this one. It's from Forever 21. I got it in LA or Vegas? I got it in LA. This one I might put in my summer pile for now and see how I feel in summer if I wear it. And then this one I'll keep out because it's a nice one just to wear now. This I'm going to put in my summer pile. Denim jacket with this in the back. I will pop in my summer pile. This denim jacket is from River Island. I was so obsessed when I first got this, but it's absolutely humongous on me now. Like, not even like oversized, it's just like uncomfortably big, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Little cropped one, I'm gonna keep out. Denim shirt, I'm gonna keep, but go in my summer pile. Oh, I never know what to do with this, and I love it so much. It's literally a maxi denim coat from PLT. It's just a little bit big, but I love it so much. I'm gonna keep it. I do. I really love it a lot. You guys know this cardigan. You've seen me wear it 1,000 times. And then a little jacket. Oh my god! Look at that! I can go shopping again. I have this like fur collar thing, which I'm just gonna get rid of. So then that is everything that's gonna be hung for now, as in like until I shop more. Right, I think we've done it. I think. So this one is now my tops, my shirts, my jumpers, my skirts, my trousers, 2 pieces, jumpsuit, dresses, and then colourful jackets. And then over here is like coats and jackets, so like coats, lighter jackets and kimonos and my leathers. Yeah, it looks different having black in this section. It just looks really weird to me, but it means then that I can then make this another drawer, which is a bigger drawer, so I can fit things in. Is my thought process. But yeah, at least now I can definitely see what I have, which is the most important part. And the reason why I started this. Wardrobe declutter, I like how the majority of things are like the same length. It'll probably annoy me a bit that they're not all the same length, but that's okay. That's okay. But yeah, at least now I've got all my coats set ready for winter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys with the rest of my decluttering series. Also, that massive pile is everything that needs to go. Yay.